In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Notion with WordPress using tools like Zapier or Integromat. This guide will walk you through generating a Notion API key, creating a database for your posts, and setting up a dynamic workflow that keeps your content flowing smoothly from Notion directly to your WordPress site. So let's dive right in. First up, let's generate that Notion API key and set up your database. Start by heading over to your Notion account and navigating to the integration section. Here, you can create a new integration that's crucial for linking Notion with external apps like WordPress. Once you've created it, you'll receive your API key. Remember, this key is like a password. It grants access to your Notion, so keep it secure and private. Next, move on to creating a database within Notion where you'll store your posts. This database will act as a central hub for all your blog content, holding titles, content, and tags. Organize it in a way that mirrors your needs on WordPress for easy syncing. Now that you have your Notion database and API key ready, it's time to bring in Zapier or Integromat into the equation. These tools are fantastic for automating workflows between different apps. Begin by setting up a new Zap or scenario that connects Notion to WordPress. Choose Notion as your trigger app. This means whenever you update or add a new page in Notion, it will kickstart the process. Within this setup, you'll define precise triggers for when a post is either new or updated in your Notion database. Select what you want to happen in WordPress when these triggers occur, such as publishing a new post. During this process, you'll be prompted to use the API key you generated earlier. After you've got your triggers in place, you need to map the fields from your Notion database to WordPress. This is where you define exactly how information, such as your post titles, body content, and any tags you've used should appear on WordPress. Make sure that everything aligns perfectly with your WordPress fields so that the transition is smooth and seamless. Finally, it's time to test the system to ensure everything runs as intended. Try adding a new page to your Notion database and see if it correctly publishes to WordPress as per your configuration. Check all the details, making sure the title, content, and tags appear exactly as you planned. If anything seems off, revisit the field mapping step and ensure all details are properly aligned. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. By following these steps, you've set up an efficient, automated system linking your Notion and WordPress accounts. This should help streamline your content publishing process, reducing manual work, and letting you focus more on creating great content. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or comments below.